When we asked Miguel how he keeps the famous beard of one of his clients, style writer David Coggins, so fresh, he told us his most trusted tool is Wahl's corded peanut clipper. It's cheaper than the magic clip, but that isn't why he likes it. Miguel says, in his opinion, cordless trimmers are overrated. Cordless trimmers are overrated. I find that trimmers you can plug into the wall have the power to last years compared to wireless ones where the battery slowly gets worse. Aside from having a cord, two other things he likes about the peanut are that it has the quality of any Wahl product and comes with 4 attachments that he says are perfect lengths for trimming a beard down from a robust hedge in the winter to astroturf in the summer. The peanut is also the favored beard trimmer of former strategist columnist Chris Black, who praised it because it's cheap, dependable, and fits in your designer dope kit perfectly. If you prefer if you prefer cordless tools, the peanut also comes in a cordless version that takes two AA batteries. The Wahl Peanut Classic Clipper or Trimmer comes at $51 in Amazon and it's corded. It weighs 4 ounces, it has 4 guard attachments, and it's also available in a cordless version. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, feel free to share it with your friends and keep watching Best Buy to get your top-notch day-to-day commodities.